सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स, डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी हर बार की तरह आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल है। रिगार्डिंग टू योर केमिस्ट्री, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम बात कर चुके हैं जस्ट नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ एल्केन अकॉर्डिंग टू आईयूपीएसी सिस्टम एज अ इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री, just as a Geneva system. And today we'll go with the second. It's about nomenclature of. This is the nomenclature of alkene. Alkene. We have discussed about the mean of alkene. Alkene means you can say hydrocarbon having at least one double bond between carbon and carbon. So you can say this is the basically condition, at least one double bond between carbon and carbon. If we'll go with the just alkene, then the common formula we have discussed, that is the CnS2n as a common formula. This is regarding to your having at least one double bond between carbon and carbon, and suffix is your, this is the suffix is your according to IUPAC system is your -ene. If we'll go with the just compound, then we can take first compound as a CS2 double bond CS2. This is the second compound as a CS3 CH double bond CS2. This is the third compound as a CS3 CH2 CH double bond CS2. If I'll go with the fourth compound, then that is your CS3 CH double bond CH CS3. This is the fourth compound. Fifth compound is your CS3 CH2 CH2. This is the CH double bond CS2. This is the sixth compound is your CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CH3. These are the compounds as a sixth compound. Seventh compound. Now the time to discuss about the branch structure also. So this is the CH. This is the CS3. This is your double bond CS2. This is the eighth compound CS3. You can see CS3. This is the double bond CH-CS3. Now the time to discuss about the next compound, CS3 CCS3. This is the CCS3 and CS3. If there is following condition, CS3C, this is the Cl double bond C, this is the Cl and CS3. This is the next condition, CS3C, this is the Br, this is the double bond C, this is the Cl and CS3. This is the 12th condition as a CS3, this is the C, C2H5 double bond C, you can take just Cl. This is the CS3, and if we'll go with the further, then we can take 13 condition. As a 13 condition, we will take CS3. This is the CS3, CS double bond CS2. If we'll go with the 14 compound, then we can take CS3C double bond CS2. This is the C, Cl. This is your CH and CS3. This is the 15th compound we can take over here. This is the CS3 C double bond C H2. This is the CCl. This is the Br and this is the CS3. If we'll go with the just nomenclature of the alkene, then first of all we'll take longest possible chain. Here is the 2 carbon in the chain, and we can count the double bond from any side. That's why here is at. Double bond is present at number 1 position like this, or you can count it as follows. So it's need not to give the position for 1. So it will be at, and suffix will be as a -ene. So the name of compound will be ethene. If we'll go with the next compound, then counting will from this side. So you will call it prop-ene, or you can call it prop-1-ene. If you will go with the next compound, then this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 carbon, so but. At number 1 position there is double bond, so 1-ene. For this it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will count the chain from that side, which side the double bond gets less marking. In this kind of the chain, we can count from any side because double bond gets number 2 position from any side. So this is called as but. There are 4 carbon in chain. There is number 2 position for the double bond. So but 2 in. For this it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is 4 carbon in the 5 carbon in the chain, and at number 1 position there is double bond, so it is your point 1 in. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. Here is the just 5 carbon pent. Double bond is at number 2 position, so it will be pent 2 in. The name of compound. If we'll go with the further, then here is the 1, 2, 3. Counting from that side, which side the double bond gets less marking. Here will be just 2 methyl. This is the 2 methyl. There is 4 carbon in chain prop. At number 1 position there is the double bond, so we can call it propene or prop 1 in. For this it will be counting from this side, because of from this side it gets number 2 position, from this side it gets number 2 position, but substituents as a CS3 get less marking from this side, so we will count the chain from this side. So this is the 2 methyl, this is the 2 methyl, this is the but 2 in. If we'll go with this compound, then you can count from any side because the conditions are same because of both are methyl group. So it will be 2, 3 dimethyl, 2, 3 dimethyl. Here is the 4 carbon in chain but 2 in. For this it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. At number 2 position there is chloro, number 3 position chloro, so dichloro, 2, 3 dichloro. There is 4 carbon in chain but at number 2 position there is in. For this carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, because of bromo B is more prior than the chloro C alphabetically, so we will count from the left side. So this is the 2 bromo, 2 bromo, this is the 3 chloro, 3 chloro, and this is the but number 2 position as a double bond. From this side, if we'll go with the just nomenclature, then we have to isolate because of longest possible chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because of C2H5 can be written as follows. This is the CH2 and this is the CH3. So longest possible chain will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the time to discuss about the nomenclature. At number 2 position there is chloro. At number 3 position there is the methyl. So you will call it 2 chloro. This is the 2 chloro. This is your 3 methyl. 3 methyl. There is 5 carbon chain called as pent. At number 2 position there is double bond, so it will be 2 in. For this compound, this is the longest possible chain counting from this side. This is the 3,3 dimethyl, 3,3 dimethyl. There is the 4 carbon chain but at number 1 position there is double bond, but 1 in, or you can call it butene also. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, here's at number 2 position there is methyl, number 3 position as a chloro, so you can call it 3 chloro. This is the 2 methyl, 2 methyl. There is 4 carbon in chain but at number 1 position there is double bond, so it will be but 1 in. For this it is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. At number 3 position there is the bromo, so 3 bromo. Here is the 2, just 3 chloro, 3 bromo, 3 chloro. This is the 2 methyl, 2 methyl. There is 4 carbon in chain, so but at number 1 position there is the double bond in. This was about the just nomenclature of alkene. We'll take just bond line structure also. See the matter. Now the time to discuss further bond line structure as regarding to nomenclature of alkene. because of without nomenclature organic chemistry is not possible. So be with me. This is the 15 compound. Now I would like to take just a 16 compound. This is as a 16 compound. You can take like this double bond. You can take this is the 17 compound as follows double bond. If you will go with the next compound 18, then this is the double bond. This is the double bond. Now I would like to go with the 19 compound. This is the 19 compound as follows. This is the double bond. This is your 20 compound as you can take. This is the very important compound like this. Here is your double bond. So if we'll go with the nomenclature of such compound, then we can will assume first of all carbon over the just each and every angle. This is the carbon. This is the carbon. If we'll go with this, then carbon. This is the carbon. Here 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 is the carbon again. Here is the carbon and carbon. Balancing. Here should be 3 hydrogen. 3 average valence. Now this is your CS3. 3, 3. This is the 3 and this is your 2. This is the CS3, CS2, CS3. This is the CS3, CS2 and CS3. This is the CS3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 and 2. This is just about the situation. For this compound it will be CS3, 2. This is your H because 3 valence is already complete. H and this is the CS3. This is the CS3, CS2, CS2 and CS3. Now I would like to go with the nomenclature. So if we'll go with the longest possible chain, then we can take any chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Here at number 2 position there is methyl. Here number 2, 3 position as a methyl. So you will call it 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl, and here is the 4 carbon in the chain, so it will be but. At number 2 position there is the double bond, so it will be 2 in. Now the time to discuss about the next compound. The longest possible chain will be as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. At number 2 position there is methyl. At number 3 position there is methyl, so you will call it 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. There is 5 carbon in the chain, so you will call it pent. At number 2 position there is double bond, so it will be 2 in. For this compound it will be longest possible chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At number 3 position methyl, at number 4 position methyl, so it will be 3, 4 dimethyl, 3, 4 dimethyl, and here is the 6 carbon in the chain, so it will be hex. At number 3 position there is double bond, so it will be 3 in. For this compound you will count the chain from this side, because of from that side which side the double bond gets less marking. At number 3 position there is ethyl. At number 3 position there is the methyl. Alphabetically ethyl is more prior, so 3 ethyl, 3 methyl. Now here is your 5 carbon chain. This is the pent. At number 1 position there is double bond, so it will be pent 1 in. The name of compound. Now I would like to go with this compound. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At number 4 position there is ethyl. At number 4 position again ethyl. So we'll call it just 4, 4 diethyl. This is the 4, 4 diethyl. 4, 4 diethyl. This is the 6 carbon in chain, so it will be hex. At number 2 position there is double bond, so it will be hex 2 in. So this was about the deeply nomenclature of alkene. So now the time to discuss about the third important topic, that is the nomenclature of alkyne. It's very important. We have discussed nomenclature of alkane and nomenclature of alkene. Now we'll go with the nomenclature of alkyne, third system. What is that? Listen me carefully. Just do the paper pen work, because of without doing paper pen work, it's not possible. So this is the, unless I am with you, I'll solve all the problem. This is the nomenclature of alkyne. Nomenclature of alkyne. Alk means number of carbon atom. Ion means triple bond, having at least one triple bond between carbon and carbon. So you will say first definition is your having triple bond between carbon and carbon. Next is your common formula, that is your CnS2n minus 2, as a n is equals to, at least there should be two carbon atom. We have discussed in previous video also. This is the common formula. Common formula. Now I would like to go with the just nomenclature. So for the nomenclature, it will be use of suffix. For triple bond, it will be use of -ine, because these are known as just alkyne. So first compound will take, this is the CH, triple bond CH. Second compound is your, this is the CH3, C triple bond CH. This is the CH. Third compound is your CH3, CH2, C triple bond CH. Fourth compound is your CH3, C triple bond C triple bond C, just CH3. Now the fifth compound is your CH3. This is the CH2. This is the CH2. This is the C triple bond CH. This is the sixth compound as a CH3. This is the CH2. This is the CH double. This is the C triple bond. C triple bond CCH3. If I go with the seventh compound, this is the seventh compound, as a, you can take CH3. This is the C triple bond CH. This is the CH, CH3, CH3 and CH3. If I'll go with the further, then we can take 8th compound as follows: CH3. This is the CCH3. This is the C triple bond CH. This is the CCH3, CH3 and CH3. This is the ninth compound. What is that? CH3. This is the CH, CH3, C triple bond C, CH. This is the CH3, and this is your CH3 again. This is the ninth compound, so it will be 10th compound. CH3C. This is the Cl. This is the CH3, C triple bond C. This is the C. This is the Cl, CH3 and CH3. The next compound 11th we can take over here. This is the CH3, CCl. This is the CH3. This is your C triple bond C. This is the C, your Br, CH3, and you can say CH3. This was about the 11th compound. Now we can take the 12th compound over here. 12th compound, what is that? This is the CH3, CCH3, CH3. This is the C triple bond CH. So this was about the just 12 compound. Now we'll go with the nomenclature. So first of all, we'll take the longest possible chain and it will be use of suffix triple bond. And we'll count the chain from that side, which side the triple bond gets less marking. So here is the same condition. So we can count it any side. Here is the 2 carbon. So it will be eth. For the triple bond, it will be use of suffix "ine", so it will be ethyne. If you will go with this chain, then triple bond is present at number 1 position, so it will be propine. This is the propine. There is just 3 carbon atom. Now I would like to go with the just 4 carbon atom when our triple bond is present at number 1 position. So it will be 4 carbon, it will be viewed at number 1 position. There is the triple bond "ine". For this is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is the 4 carbon. So it will be use of bute at number 2 position. There is the "ine". For this it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the 5 carbon. So it will use of pent at number 1 position. There is the "ine". So pentyne. Here is the just again same carbon, 5 carbon. You will count the chain from that side. Which side triple bond gets less marking. So it will be pent. This is the 2-ine, pent 2-ine. Now I would like to go with this compound 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At number 3 position there is the methyl. At number 4 position there is 2 methyl. So you will call it 3. This is the 4,4 trimethyl. There is 5 carbon in chain. Pent at number 1 position there is a triple bond, so it will be 1-ine. Now I would like to go with the next compound. What is that? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At number 3 position there is methyl, so 3, 3. This is the 4,4 tetramethyl. This is the tetramethyl. Now there is the 5 carbon chain, so it will be pent. At number 1 position there is a triple bond, so it will be 1-ine. Just 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4 tetramethyl pent 1-ine. For this, what will be, you can count the chain from any side because the condition is identical, both are same. So it will be 2, 3. This is the 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. There is 6 carbon in chain, so heads it will be 3-ine. For this, what will be? First of all, counting the chain, you can count the same because of environment is same. इस साइड से भी नंबर 2 कार्बन पे मिथाइल और क्लोरो सेम, मिथाइल और क्लोरो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नंबर 3 पे, तो आप कहीं से भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. So it will be, what will be, the name of compound will be 2 chloro and 5 chloro. So it will be 2, 5 dichloro. This is the dichloro. Here is the 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. Here is the 6 carbon chain. So this is called as hex. At number 3 position there is triple bond. So it will be 3-ine. Now for this, you will count from this side, then it will be at number 3 the triple bond, from this side triple bond number 3, from this side number 2 chlorine methyl, number 2 bromine methyl, bromo B is more prior. So you will count the chain from this side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. This is the 2 bromo. This is the 2 bromo. This is your 5 chloro. 5 chloro. 5 chloro. Now methyl is at number 2 and 3, 5 position. So 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. There is 6 carbon chain hex. This is the hex and this is the 3-ine. The nomenclature of the compound. If I'll go with the final compound, then we can take 1, 2, 3, 4. At number 3 position there is 2 methyl. So 3, 3 dimethyl. There is 4 carbon chain, so bute at 1 position there is the ine. This was about the nomenclature of alkyne as a common compound, or just you can say simple compound. Now the time to discuss about the some of the bond line structure also regarding to class 11th and basics. of the NEET and IIT. And one of the thing is important because of जल्द ही जो एक बार टेस्टिंग किया गया था जस्ट ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग, जल्द ही हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड नो डाउट हर एक चीज का आपको लाइव सॉल्यूशन और लाइव सेशन भी होगा. So this was about the just 12 compound. Now I would like to go with the next 13 compound. As a 13 compound, we can take the structure as follows. Suppose this is the structure. Here is the triple bond. You can take this one structure also, like this triple bond. You can take one of the compound over here, like this. You can take as follows. So these are the three important as a bond line structure. First of all, you have to go with the just carbon atom. This is the C, 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 C and C. Over here C, and this will be your C. C also. For this, it will be C, C. This is the C, C, C and C, C and C. Here's the C. Here's the C. Here's the C. Here's the C, and this is your C also. You will go with the just one hydrogen because 3 valencies already complete. For this, all are complete 4 valencies. Here will be H, here will be CS3, here will CS3, and here will CS3 also. For the balancing, here will H. For this, it will be CS3. This is the CH. This is the CS3. No, nothing. CS3, CS2, and this is the CS3. For this, it will be CS3. This is the CS2. This is the CS2, CS3. This is the CS2 and CH, CS2 and CS3. If we'll go with the nomenclature, then it's too simple. We'll count the chain from this side: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At number 3 position there is methyl. At number 4 position there is methyl. So it will be 3,4 dimethyl. This is the 3,4 dimethyl, and there is just 3,4 dimethyl, 5 carbon chain. 5 carbon chain pent. At number 1 position there is the ine, so it will be pent 1 ine, your pentyne. This is the CH, sorry, this is the counting from this side: 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this will be your CS2. This will be your CS2 because 2 valencies are complete. And this is the number 4 position. This is number 5 position. At number 3 position there is methyl. At number 3 position there is ethyl. So you will call it 3-ethyl, 3-methyl. Just there are 4 carbon chains, so it will be pent 1 ine. Pent 1 ine. If we'll go with this compound, the counting will be from this side: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At number 4 position there is ethyl and ethyl also. So you will call it 4,4 diethyl, 4,4 diethyl. There are 6 carbon in the chain. So hex. At number 1 position there is a triple bond, so it will be hex 1 ine. So this was about the just nomenclature of alkyne. In this sequence, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. आप लोगों का प्यार, रेस्पेक्ट यूं ही मिलता रहे. नो डाउट सपोर्ट मिलेगा तब हम आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. नो डाउट ये कारवां स्टार्ट हो चुका है और अब नहीं रुकेगा. हम नहीं थकेंगे, हम नहीं रुकेंगे जब तक कि आपको मंजिल की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए. इसी विश्वास के साथ शेयर करते रहिए, सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.